going to go through the process of making your press-on nails last 3 weeks or more. This method is fail-proof. I'm using Uniy nails. This is a female black-owned brand. Let me say that again. Female black-owned brand, okay? They launched today and they're having a 25% off sale. I have a bunch of different styles here. Pressure, Rich Auntie, Bad Gal, which I'm actually working with today. Her, and main character. Each set comes with a nail file, cuticle pusher, glue, and of course the nails. Using the glue with the proper technique will make your nails last close to 2 weeks, but we're trying to make these babies stay on for a month. Now follow me. You want to match your nail to each nail in the box. After that, you want to put some texture to each nail. For this step, you want to use the nail file provided, but I always do my nails at home, so I'm using a drill bit. For this, you don't have to. This part is completely optional, but I also dehydrate my nail and it adds an extra barrier that will allow the nail to stick better. I use this YN pH bonder from Amazon. I use this when doing my Gel X nails and it's bomb. Now, the star of the show, Builder Base. This Builder Base gel is mainly used as a base prior to putting on your builder. If you want a video on how I do my nails with Builder Base and Builder, give this video a thumbs up. This Builder Base is going to make your nails last till the 3-week mark and beyond. You want to use a dollop in the middle of your nail where your nail bed is going to go. Less is always more in this situation. Then at a 45-degree angle, you want to press the nail into your nail bed where there are no air bubbles and cure it under a UV light. This light you could also find on Amazon. I'll have it linked below. You want to continue this process with each nail and put direct pressure on the nail under the light for about 10 to 15 seconds. At this point, all the nails are on and this step is completely optional. But if you want your nails to look like you just stepped out of the nail salon, adding a gel top coat will add a beautiful shine. As I mentioned before, Uniy is having a 25% off welcome sale all the way until January 25th. And because you're watching this video, you'll get an extra 5% off with the code DIAMOND5. These nails right here are super affordable. And it being so affordable right now while they're on sale, get them. Thank me later.